Hey, I know you want to tell everything to your preceptor, but there are some things that you just don't need to share. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like this video. Today, I'm going to be talking about 7 things that you don't need to share with your preceptor or your instructor. Okay? Mainly your instructor, which is probably me. Okay? Listen, y'all, I know you millennials, you out here telling us everything. And you really don't have a filter. But there are some things that you tell your instructors that we judge you on a little bit. Poquito. Okay? So you got to be careful what you share with your preceptor. I'm going to go over that today. All right, number 1. Let's just get into it. Number 1. Oh yeah, I didn't get my assignment in because I was working. That's number 1. Number 2. I fell asleep and I didn't get it in. Come on now. That to me says irresponsible. You're not managing your time properly. Okay? Number 3. Oh, I had family obligations, so I didn't turn my assignment into your class. So that says to me, you're just not ready to be in graduate program. You're just not committed. Number 4. Oh, I had to take my toddler. I took my toddler to the clinic with me. I took my child to the clinic with me because I couldn't find a babysitter. So I took him to my clinical site. You figure that one out. Why that's not good. All right. Oh yeah, here's another one you guys do. You guys are free with it. Free. So, Professor, I used this paper in another class and I figured it was the same topic. I would use it again. Don't do that. That's a no for me. Number 6. The last instructor didn't do it that way. Okay, nobody wants to hear that. First of all, that's like telling me, or my man telling me, you know, my ex didn't do it like that. Stop. Behave yourself. Number 7. Oh, if you just would have put the announcement in early, I would have had my assignment done early last week. But since you didn't put the assignment in, Professor, early, I was late. Oh, you were late because of me? I don't think so. So yeah, real quick and dirty, that's 7 things that you just don't need to be telling your instructor or your preceptor. Guys, if you like this content, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.